I missed you guys. I legit have not picked up my camera in weeks. Like, in weeks, I have not picked it up. I just, Anyways, clean slate, fresh start. Let's not even go back there. I have 1,000,001 updates for you guys. But I'm in a good mood. It's Victoria long weekend here in Canada. Yeah. So, you know what that means. Beer outings and beer things are going to happen this weekend. Today is Friday, May the 19th. And Popcaan is here. Y'all gonna see Poppy tonight. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm super excited to go and see him live in concert. If you've been following me for a long time now, then you would know that any concert, anywhere I go, me record that for you. Yeah, if you check out my last year Things and Things vlogs, summer vlogs, and then someday you will see that, you know. So yeah, tonight we're gonna go see Poppy and be a things, go lose the voice and yeah, and all of them something there, yeah. I just wake up and whatever, so I'm gonna go drink my tea. I'm gonna go get base car. I have a couple errands for run on the road today, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm gonna really want to chat too much, you know, this intro part, yeah. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys when I feel like it's necessary for me to come back to you guys, but I'm really excited. I think I'm getting my mojo back in regards to vlogging. I was being a little discouraged in regards to the fact that like I'm posting my content and you guys aren't necessarily really watching. I know a lot of my followers are Jamaican and they really only follow me for my Jamaica vlogs. But I mean, if you're supporting somebody, you should support them regardless of what it is that they're posting. Whether I'm posting Jamaica vlogs or I'm posting vlogs in Canada or I'm posting videos, you should be watching them if you're subscribed to me. I just like, that's just how I feel. Like, even though I subscribe to people for certain things, like I still watch their videos because I subscribe to people because I like them. You know what I mean? So I don't know. That's just how I feel. So that was a little bit discouraging. And then I think the fact that I haven't been consistent like I normally am was also affecting that as well. So I'm going to get back on track and I'm going to be putting out these videos like I was before when I did not care about numbers and stuff like that. I'm going back there. So I don't care. You're going to be seeing me on your timeline. So if you don't like it, unsubscribe. Okay? Okay. But yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later. Good morning again and happy long weekend if you're from Canada. If you're not, oh well, happy weekend. So I just picked up the car. Setting y'all up. Put on some tunes. I'm not 100% sure where I'm gonna go first. I think I'm gonna go to Michael's. I'm gonna go to this place called Orpheus Road, and I gotta go to the dollar store in case then I should go to Michael's first and check out first there, because I think I know the dollar store prices already. And yeah, I put in my old hair again, you know, saving my coins for bigger and better things. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, anyways, let me put on my music. Let's go. Yo, to see if I can pretty. She says she love the way me cocky it. Holy heap of man want the pretty. The pretty. I know for everybody. Baby, can't tell them I really need you. That's that way you give me today. Me in a studio record a song, yeah. And I reminisce what you do me today. I have bare one songs on this phone. I should see ya. Follow me in a bed, pussy fuck up in a church. Get a race when I walk past. Make you the eyes, make the eyes, make up the eyes. What? You get a true double six like what? Hey, that is what you're doing with your booty. But the girl just a bounce like bounce track. Me do the verb with the noun with the subject. Anything you want me, I can get you can't object. You fall in love faster than object. But pussy tight, see a little brownie. And a shit that still with a little broad bean. We small with tea, but nothing a falling. Make man get attentive when me walk in. I want my maid of honors, my bridal squad to walk down the aisle to this. Is this wrong? My sister thinks I'm crazy, but I do. Bang, bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, 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 bing. Hey. reception.
Burn pen from a wake early, I do the dirt. Black in a my pocket and love on a shirt. Socks clip a bun, hot beer, bust a burp. And I watch clear sexy woman and I work. Wake up and me no drink tea yet. I sit on a split so the damn thing set.
Why? Oh my god, I can't wait to sing the song tonight.
Yo,
Andrew Blocks.
Yeah, you know, whoa.
Fresh garden, man, a rock, and you see on the rocks, if you this, you get three from the block. What? Champagne, man, a pop, and a flock, and it's up, man, a cut anywhere from the map. In fast grade, man, a push, without the glass, y'all a send me sweet like lollipop. Yeah. Shelly bar trade, we no thirsty, plus we clean to the bone, we no dirty. How much champagne, over 30, popping up like a Juicy J birthday. Y'all in my wine for me all night long, say she love how we fight long. One word you say and turn her right on.
Tight pussy girls only.
We send them home, yeah. Boy, dead like stray dog. Don't remember in a the graveyard. Why? You a punk, and your throat never flash. Pussy where you know about booze, gas a ash. M1 boy, this strap on, palm a block. Crack your skull like calabash. Pussy, have you ever knocked it in a traffic? Have you ever bust a man throat with a hatcheta? You don't know nothing about badness, watch it. Mac 90 go deal with your cabita. Say them a bad man and liar them. Man show your rifle, you never fire them. I coulda who hire them. Marcus me free wire them. Go suck your mother dog. You know what I can rule it. It's big triangle brand. Shut up playing on your head like Loodi. I am so fucking unruly. Now look at what I be, them can't fool me.
Suck your mother dog. You know but I can rule it.
I'll see you guys when I get to Michael's. So I just left Len's Mills, which is one of my favoriteest craft stores ever, for something that I gotta go try and see if I can make for decor for my for Mara and I's engagement party, which I'm hoping to have next month, hopefully, if all goes well. So yeah, I can't really record inside the stores because they don't really want me to record and whatever, so that's why you're not seeing the whole buying process. But I'm going to another store right now because my sister wants me to get her this shirt that she seen down here yesterday. Why she didn't buy it when she came down here yesterday, only her and God know. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. Orifice Row, this is what Orifice Row looks like. It's just a long strip of like stores that you see in the mall, but this is like where outlet stores and stuff like that. So it's a really long road, and they call it Orifice Road. So yeah. Oh shit, my flash is on. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm ending the vlog here. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Just like me, your boss, you make me feel rich like a lot.